Welcome, I'm Dr. Ham. I wanted to go through the initial consultation process with you. For those of you that never come to the office before, let me give you a little tour and what to expect when you come in to address your knee pain, okay? Follow me. First thing we're gonna do is sit down, go through your full health history, dig into your knee pain, what's worked, what's not worked, where you're at, if you've had any prior imaging, or if you need new imaging, okay? We're gonna dig into the knee, really try to understand what the cause of all your pain is, okay? If we need to, we're gonna get some images done. We're gonna take some x-rays, and the reason for this is to get a good assessment on what kind of changes are in the knee, how much arthritis or degeneration has been set in, and this is going to help qualify if we can actually help you or not help you. So this will give us a lot of good answers. So through this consultation process, once we get the proper imaging, if you've brought it in or we've taken x-rays here, we're really going to be able to see if we can help or not. Now, in the case that the x-rays don't show us enough information and we need to do more, we'll probably send you out for an MRI to get a different picture. But if the x-rays show us enough information, we can determine if we can help. Then we'll be able to sit down, go through the exact process of how we can help your knee get restored in its function and decrease this pain for you. So we look forward to understanding exactly what's going on and determining if we can help. And then creating a game plan of treatment to actually get you out of pain and get you back to doing what you love to do.